Mahagut, Katie. I truly believe the Irish language is a gift bestowed upon us from our ancestors that we all have an obligation to cherish and protect. I'm very fortunate at the moment to be studying Irish in University College Cork, and through that I'm conversing with my friends and various people every day pretty much through Irish, and it's really hard to describe, but it really gives you a real feeling and sense of liberation that I want for all of my fellow citizens. Also, I believe Irish gives us a true sense of place and our surnames, etc. For instance, I hail from a mighty village in North Cork called Glanmert. Now, the meaning of Glanmert in English really doesn't have much of a meaning. It's just a place name. However, Glanmert as nGaeilge means glown or, which can be interpreted as a fresh valley or valley of the Ewes.
Okay. Okay, but yeah, so you say the connection between the language and our sense of place and our sense of self is important as well.
Absolutely.
Okay, I just want